On Substack, you own your audience, your subscribers. You could take them with you wherever you like to go. On Medium and any other social media platform, you only rent your followers. In addition, you are one of hundreds of thousands of writers people pay for. On Substack, your subscribers pay you. There is no algorithm. Substack sends your emails right into your subscribers' inboxes, and that's it. And that's why Substack is in everybody's mouth, and many even seasoned Medium writers also start sharing their stories on Substack, even Tim Denning. But what's the buzz all about? Today we want to talk about getting paid on Substack, even if you don't dare to enable the paid button yet. My Substack is free, and still my newsletter is already worth $1,200 to me. Why? The question number one people ask me when they come across my top performing milestone video from 0 to 1,000 subscribers on Substack or my Substack series on Medium is, Christina, how do you get paid? Your Substack is free. Of course, it is crucial to get paid for your writing. I'm a fan of giving as much as possible away for free, but the idea of Substack is that you can earn a living from writing. That's what I love. But Christina, why don't you go paid then? Well, when I started my Substack in winter 2022, I wanted to spread my wings and go beyond writing on Medium. Medium's ecosystem is wonderful, and I love the kind and inspiring community. However, due to the paywall, it is limited to a small number of readers. Haven't I read a story from you that Medium is about to reach 1 million paying members, Christina? That's true. However, as an online writer, my goal is to reach as many people as possible and to amplify my reach. Oftentimes, you see an increase in your views if you simply turn off the paywall. As a marketing expert, I know that amplifying is key. When I started my career as a marketing and comms consultant, the first thing I learned at Edelman, the largest comms marketing firm in the world, was the 3 pillars of success: paid media, owned media, and earned media. Let's talk about paid media first. This means ads. I'm not a fan of ads, and I don't want to invest in ads yet. So this is a story for another day, and I guess you get it. You'd pay for a Facebook ad, being promoted on X, or being shown more often on other platforms. Earned media, meaning sharing. That's what happens if you put pen to paper and start writing in public, on the internet. If you inspire, educate, or help others, people gonna share your work with their friends and family. They'll spread your message organically. Suddenly, you see someone sharing your story in a Facebook group, in Substack notes, or on X. Now, let's talk about owned media. Media you own. This is the pillar of the Cloverleaf I love the most because I can control it. Substack is owned media because you can publish whatever you like as long as you don't break any rules, for instance, writing about porn. But there is a big but. If you gain followers on Medium, for instance, that is nice, but you don't own them. As mentioned in the introduction, on Substack, you do own them. The email list is the most valuable asset in your business. In the past, people asked how many followers you have. Now they ask how many subscribers you have. There are influencers on Instagram who tried to monetize their work, but learned they couldn't. People like their photos and reels, but wouldn't pay for the content they share. That is why many influencers also start their own Substack to see how many people will follow them and actually pay for their content. Medium also offers to get tips via PayPal, Ko-fi, or Buy Me a Coffee. But the idea of Substack is to earn a recurring income and keep doing what you love and your audience loves. This vision really is what I like about the platform. So let's come back to my free newsletter with about 3,300 subscribers. Here is my strategy. I wanted to attract as many people as possible. Show them how valuable my content is so that at some point I'd get paid and offer a, let's say, premium newsletter and they'd follow me. Substack says on average 3 to 5% will pay for your work, which is really, really good, depending on the size of your email list. What gives me an extra confidence boost is that I already received 14 pledges. Pledges are a tool for your audience to show you they believe your work is valuable. But there is more. Substack also shows me the pledged annualized recurring revenue. Here is mine. Don't know how to activate pledges? Simply head to your publication settings page and scroll to the payments section. To turn on pledges, click on the toggle next to allow readers to pledge subscriptions. Super! Now people can pledge their support. All you have to do is adapt pricing for monthly, yearly, and founding subscriptions and enter your own minimum. The standard Substack minimum is $5 per month and $50 per year. Mine is $7 per month and $70 per year. You could get paid immediately. Once you receive several pledges, you can turn on payments and earn recurring income from paid subscriptions. This way, you know whether people would actually pay for your writing or just like it or comment on it. This is really important because it encouraged me to offer a paid version of my newsletter. Here's what Substack says about pledges and going paid. I'm pretty bullish on telling writers to go paid immediately. I love that we have the pledges option available now. That's a newer thing for us. For my writers who are reluctant to go paid because they feel like there's going to be a bigger obligation to their readers, I like that we have this pledge option. And that's something you can turn on or off. And I tell people, if you are not going to launch with pay turned on, launch with pledges turned on for sure. Shared Christina Loff, who is working together with some of Substack's top writers. And you can watch my interview with Christina on my channel. So stay tuned and feel free to ask your questions in the comments. For more about Substack, check out my Substack series. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I share a video and subscribe to my channel.